they say I have a third of a tank, but it's only like 100 miles and that range falls fast. So better safe than sorry. I've got a cheap gas station up here I know about. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up there and then we'll continue on and I'll let you in on what's going on. The city center. Let's talk about what's going on. I just finished editing a video that needs just a couple of tweaks before I post it to YouTube in a few days, but it amounts to about 16 hours worth of work, not including the original filming, and it's 6 minutes long. So I have a new appreciation for how long it takes to edit a feature-length film. But anyway, I'm going to celebrate by getting myself a nice bottle of bourbon at the liquor store. So that's where we're headed first. Hopefully this is a quick video, but in a minute here, when we get on the back road, I'll talk about the editing process and some of the things I'm excited that I learned how to do. Alright, so editing. I use DaVinci Resolve 16. It's a free product, and it rivals Adobe Premiere Pro from what I've read. But it does have a pretty steep learning curve. Luckily, you can basically go to YouTube and type in DaVinci Resolve, yada yada, whatever you want to learn how to do, and somebody's made a video that tells you exactly how to do that, step by step. Phenomenal, thank you so much. But some of the things I wanted to do were to drop in cinematic black bars to crop the image, and then change the color profile to look more cinematic. You combine it, even something as simple as this bend coming up will look pretty awesome, and then you can slow down where you're leaned over the most in the corner. So I'll focus on this truck. Watch this, there should be a watermark in the lower right hand corner or lower left hand corner. Hopefully I figured that out. If there isn't one, you know I haven't. It's like you're from the future and I'm in the past trying to predict it. Well, I could not have predicted this future. No way in hell. I'm so excited, I just had to come out, go for a ride.
Black's on sale.
It is?
Yes.
Okay.
So, yeah, if you don't mind just coming back in, I'll refund the Jim Beam Black and I'll ring you back up.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Oh, no worries. I appreciate you helping me out there.
Yeah, they didn't update the system apparently, and I just kind of did a quick little update, and next thing I know it. Because usually it updates on its own, like I don't have to touch anything.
Awesome. So I bought Larceny and Jim Beam Black. So.
Yes, I tried all 4.
Oh, okay. That is so helpful.
Yeah, I'm not trying to, and I just thought I look outside, I'm like, oh, still out there, great.
Our Aaron just got a little bit cheaper.
Find your credit card for a refund. I don't know if you need to.
All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
My pleasure. Yeah, have a great day.
You too. All right, first errand completed. Let's get back out on the road. We already have our destination input, so let's go ahead and start the bike up and go. That nice guy just saved us $4. Cool. Get a break in traffic and go. On the road again. Next stop, Home Depot. So I packed those 2 bottles of liquor in the saddlebag there. I wrapped a towel around them. Hopefully they don't break during our travels. If they do, I'll have quite an expensive mess to clean up. Ooh, the temperature's dropped a little bit. 4 or 5 degrees. Feels chilly here. I think it's the shade. A little cloud cover here. Wow, that's spectacular. This, not so much. But it's still a beautiful day and we're out on 2 wheels. Gotta love it. Ah. See them plowing soybeans. Oh, what a mess. Yeah, that was cool. Big dust cloud kicked up by that harvester. We're on Araby Church Road up here in Frederick, and this is the first road I ever scraped a peg on a motorcycle. I took my wife's Sportster 1200 Custom out on a test ride before she bought it, and when I was making a left off of this road onto 355, I dragged a peg through the whole thing. I was like, ooh, this bike is low. But this is a fun little road. I love the back roads up here. This is great. Here's our next destination. Hopefully we can go in the back way here. I'm not really sure. Never been to this one before. My turn. Easy breezy. Job done. Got what we needed from Home Depot. Let's run over to Harley Davidson of Frederick. See how the guys and gals over there are doing today. Doesn't lie. That was about 4 minutes, including waiting at the lights. And here we are. What's up, buddy? I'm good. How you doing? All right, once again, we're at Harley Davidson of Frederick. Just went in and said hi to Bridget. She's the one that helped me pick out my helmet and boots last time. If you go in, tell her John sent you. She'll be happy to help you pick out a new set of gear. So anyway, now we got to get home. And of course, I got my alcohol there and some stogies, and then I've got snacks and water and some bug killer over here. So the saddlebags are full again. And with that, I got a price quote for a tour pack for my bike. Gonna have to save my pennies. All right, let's get back out on the road. Just a minute ago, I mentioned that I was pricing out a tour pack. Some of you might be wondering why I would put a tour pack on a street glide. Why didn't I just buy a limited to begin with? Well, it's simple. I don't often need that much storage space. I could buy various other bags for $300 or $400 and a luggage rack for another $200, and I'm at half the cost, and I don't think they look as good, and you're not guaranteed the weatherproofness that you are with something like a tour pack. Plus, it would be painted to match, so it would match the paint on my bike. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. If I do, you know I'm gonna make a video about installing that sucker. And now, I'm headed home. Enjoy the rest of your day. Well, you don't see that every day. Chrysler 300 all-wheel drive with a tow hitch. All right.